I love receiving new flags to add to my growing collection for the Flag Lair, and I'm excited to receive this package from Wales Flag Company Extraordinaire, MrFlag, as it contains a type of flag I've never specifically ordered before. To get me started, I have the flag of the Philippines, notably for its golden sun and 3 stars, which really sets it apart from all other flags. The ornate 8 rays of sunshine representing the original provinces of the country, and the stars to show the 3 various groups of islands, Luzon in the north, Visayan in the south, and Mindanao being the main southern island. While the chevron style is not unique to national flags, the yellow motifs do greatly differentiate it from the others. It's the closest resemblance, I would say, to the Czech Republic, but even then I'm clutching at straws a little bit. These next 2 I brought together for a reason, and that was to see close up just how different the suns were in both of them. As well as add them to my collection, of course. They are the flags of Namibia and Taiwan, and apart from the colours, the design of these 2 suns are similar. Both have 12 rays of sun, both have a fimbriated main body sun. However, the border is thicker in Namibia and the Taiwan rays are longer. That said, to me this design of the sun is probably the best. For those who know me realise that I like simplicity and uncomplicated patterns when it comes to flags, and these 2 deliver expertly. The sun plus both overall designs are sharp and great, while Taiwan is overall a little more plain. Namibia to me has just enough going on to keep it interesting while very slick. And finally, my different type of flag altogether. While I do have a couple of royal flags in the Flag Lair, they both came in a mystery box. This is the first time I've chosen to buy specifically a royal flag, and here it is, the exclusive MrFlag's Commonwealth Realm wreath flag wrapped around Charles III's personal cipher on this beautiful regal purple background, which is probably my favourite of all the commemorative flags. It's exclusive because the wreath was designed by MrFlag owner Charles Ashburner, and to find out more about this design, then you can click on the link above for the full video. This is a great flag to fly for royal events that take place, and something a little different to fly than the Union flag on such occasions. I'm really pleased to have added these great designs, and to discover more about the mystery box that I mentioned earlier, check this video out, and to find out which royal flags I have and what else I discovered from MrFlag.